Alpine Pat here, Wednesday, March 12th. As we come to the end of the season, it was a different season, to say the least, as Mother Nature did not help us whatsoever in the snowmaking department. Our snowmaking crew carried us all season long. We opened Thanksgiving weekend, which seems to be the new normal, as we opened Thanksgiving weekend probably for the last 5-6 years now. You can't complain about that, and we're into March, so it was a nice, lengthy season. But the highlight of the season for me, probably the 60th anniversary party. Fireworks, torch parade, Tommy Jules setting the patio on fire. It was a great weekend. But the season went by way too fast, and all good things must come to an end, but it makes you appreciate it more when it starts again. I want to thank everybody from season pass holders to the people that come out here once a year. Thanks for visiting Alpine Valley. But all good things, you know, if you come to Alpine Valley, we want that visit to be special. But everybody here at Alpine Valley, from ticket office, rentals, concessions, guest services, ski patrol, instructors, and most importantly, lift operations, we say thank you. And I tell you, the days are getting longer, the sun feels great, we're all ready for a change of season, but hey, maybe you never say never. But anyways, have a great change of the seasons and hope to see you soon. Booyah!